Welcome to our fashion and handmade luxury design channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every creation can become a powerful income-generating product. In this video, we explore luxury handmade handbag designs you can create at home, combining structure, elegance, and real business potential. These designs are not just accessories. They are products that can define your personal brand and open doors to consistent creative income. Tote bag. The tote bag is the foundation of handbag making, offering a perfect balance between simplicity and practicality. It begins with selecting strong leather or faux leather that can hold structure over time. The pattern is drafted using clear rectangular panels, making it ideal for beginners who want professional results without complexity. Cutting must be precise to ensure symmetry between front and back panels. Sewing starts by assembling the main body, followed by reinforcing the base for durability. Handles are attached securely to support daily use. Edge finishing is essential to create a clean luxury appearance. This design is highly marketable because tote bags are widely used in everyday life. From a business perspective, they are one of the easiest products to sell consistently due to their universal demand and practical value. Structured top handle bag. The structured top handle bag represents elegance and high-end fashion identity. It begins with selecting firm leather that can maintain shape without collapsing. The pattern is carefully drafted with defined edges and reinforced panels. Cutting requires precision because even small errors affect symmetry. Sewing starts with forming the rigid structure, followed by attaching internal support layers. The handle is reinforced to ensure durability and strength. Hardware such as clasps or locks adds a premium finish. Every seam must be clean and aligned to achieve a luxury appearance. This type of bag is often associated with designer brands. From a business perspective, structured bags allow higher pricing due to their premium look and perceived value, making them ideal for luxury handmade collections. Crossbody bag. The crossbody bag combines comfort with modern fashion utility. It begins with a compact pattern designed for mobility and daily use. Lightweight yet durable material is preferred for flexibility. Cutting must ensure clean curves and balanced proportions. Sewing starts with assembling the main panels, followed by attaching the adjustable strap system. Internal compartments can be added for functionality. Edge stitching strengthens durability while maintaining a refined look. This design is especially popular among younger audiences and urban users. From a business perspective, crossbody bags sell quickly because they combine practicality with style, making them a strong entry-level product for handmade fashion businesses. Mini shoulder bag. The mini shoulder bag focuses on compact elegance and aesthetic appeal. It begins with a small-scale pattern that emphasizes proportion and symmetry. Cutting must be extremely precise due to the reduced size. Sewing starts with assembling the body panels, followed by attaching a slim strap. Closure systems like magnetic buttons enhance usability. Decorative elements, such as stitching lines or minimal hardware, elevate its luxury feel. This design is often used as a fashion statement rather than storage utility. From a business perspective, mini bags are highly profitable because they are trendy, visually appealing, and often purchased as fashion accessories rather than practical items. Bucket bag design. The bucket bag introduces a relaxed yet stylish silhouette. It begins with a circular base pattern and flexible side panels. Cutting must maintain smooth curves to ensure proper shape. Sewing starts by attaching the base to the side structure, followed by forming the drawstring closure system. The design allows spacious storage while maintaining elegance. Reinforced stitching ensures long-term durability. This style is versatile and works well for casual fashion markets. From a business perspective, bucket bags are popular because they balance capacity and style, making them attractive for everyday use customers. Clutch evening bag. The clutch bag represents formal elegance and minimal design. It begins with a flat rectangular pattern that focuses on clean structure. Cutting must be extremely accurate for sharp edges. Sewing involves assembling layers and reinforcing the inner structure for firmness. Closure mechanisms, such as snap buttons or magnetic locks, are added for simplicity. Decorative finishes like metallic accents enhance luxury appeal. This design is ideal for evening events and formal occasions. From a business perspective, clutch bags can be positioned as premium products due to their association with luxury events and fashion styling. Quilted luxury bag. The quilted bag introduces texture and depth through stitched patterns. It begins with layered fabric that creates a padded effect. Cutting must align perfectly to maintain symmetry in quilting. Sewing involves creating consistent stitch patterns across the surface. The structure is then assembled into a full bag form. Handles and closures are added after quilting is complete. This design has a strong luxury identity due to its textured appearance. From a business perspective, quilted bags are associated with high-end fashion brands, allowing strong pricing potential. Backpack-style leather bag. The leather backpack combines practicality with urban fashion. It begins with a structured pattern that includes front, back, and side panels. Cutting requires precision to ensure balanced weight distribution. Sewing starts with assembling the main body, followed by attaching reinforced straps. Internal compartments increase usability. Zippers or buckles are added for security. This design is durable and functional, making it ideal for daily use. From a business perspective, backpacks have consistent demand due to their practicality and long-term usability. Belt bag/waist bag. The waist bag focuses on compact convenience and modern street fashion. It begins with a small curved pattern designed to fit comfortably around the waist. Cutting must ensure smooth edges for comfort. Sewing involves assembling the main pouch and attaching an adjustable strap system. Zippers provide secure closure. Lightweight construction is key for usability. This design is highly trendy in urban fashion markets. From a business perspective, waist bags are fast-selling products due to their fashion-forward appeal and portability. Designer patchwork bag. The patchwork bag represents creativity and artistic fashion expression. It begins with multiple fabric or leather pieces arranged into a structured design. Cutting must ensure each piece fits into the final composition. Sewing involves joining different textures into a unified surface. The bag structure is then formed and reinforced. Handles and closures are added to complete the design. This style allows unlimited creativity and personalization. From a business perspective, patchwork bags stand out as unique products, often sold at higher value due to their artistic individuality. These 10 sewing projects highlight how simple and practical designs can be transformed into valuable products. By focusing on everyday clothing needs, you create items that customers consistently look for and purchase. The key to success lies in maintaining quality, precision, and consistency in every piece you produce. Each design offers an opportunity to build your skills while expanding your product range. As you continue to refine your techniques, your work becomes more efficient and professional. This allows you to produce more while maintaining high standards. Over time, these small improvements lead to stronger customer trust and increased sales. Sewing is not only a creative activity, but also a powerful tool for building a sustainable income. By choosing the right designs and executing them well, you can turn simple fabric into products that add value to everyday life. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video. So if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching. And remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world. and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.